آج کیا دن ہے؟ What is day today? What is day today? آج اتوار ہے. It is Sunday. It is Sunday today. It is Sunday today. کل کیا دن ہوگا؟ What will be the day tomorrow? آنے والا کل. What will be the day tomorrow? یہ کل پیر ہو جائے گا. It will be Monday tomorrow. It will be Monday tomorrow. کل کیا دن تھا؟ What day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? کل ہفتہ تھا. Yesterday was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. ایک ہفتے میں کتنے دن ہیں؟ How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? ہفتے میں 7 دن ہوتے ہیں. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. ایک ماہ میں کتنے دن ہوتے ہیں؟ How many days are there in a month? How many days are there in a month? ایک مہینے میں 30 دن ہیں. There are 30 days in a month. There are 30 days in a month. ایک سال میں کتنے دن ہیں؟ How many days are there in a year? How many days are there in a year? ایک سال میں 365 دن ہیں. There are 365 days in a year. There are 365 days in a year. ایک ماہ میں کتنے ہفتے ہیں؟ How many weeks are there in a month? How many weeks are there in a month? مہینے میں 4 ہفتے ہیں. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks in a month. ایک سال میں کتنے ماہ ہیں؟ How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? ایک سال میں 12 مہینے ہیں. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year.